Welcome Top 5 Best Review. Number 1.
Works WX572L 5.5 amp Blade Runner Portable Electric Tabletop Saw, great at cross and rip cuts. The steel rip fence and riving knife system lets you perform an assortment of straighter, longer, wider cuts. Truly portable table saw, weighing in at less than 15 pounds. You easily can move it around your workshop or even take it to the job site. Adjustable miter gauge makes 0 to 60 miter cuts from both the right and left sides, so you can make every common miter cut, and every angle in between. Safety switch, an added safety switch and safety key give this saw an added level of security, so you don't have to worry about accidental starts. Do it yourself. Do it better. Do it with Works. Works tools are engineered with cutting-edge technology, and above modern efficiency standards.
Number 2.
IronMax Go Plus Table Saw, 10-inch 15-amp portable table saw, 36T blade, cutting speed up to 5,000 RPM, 45 double bevel cut, aluminum table, benchtop table saw with metal stand, sliding miter gauge, powerful cutting performance equipped with high-power 15-amp motor in low noise. This table saw delivers 5,000 RPM cutting performance to rip through various kind of hardwood with ease. And the heavy-duty table saw stand effectively prevents table from rollover during cutting. 36-tooth blade and aluminum tabletop. Coated aluminum tabletop with 26 inches rip capacity can easily rip through larger wood material and reduce extra friction for smoother sliding. Table saw features 36T carbide tipped blade, which is designed with transparent guard and riving knife to protect you from accidental hurt and flying chips. Double bevel cutting and adjustable height, featuring the double bevel cutting from 0-45 degrees.
Number 3.
Rockwell RK7323 Blade Runner X2 Portable Tabletop Saw with steel rip fence, miter gauge and 7 accessories. Brand Rockwell blade material: high-speed steel surface. Recommendation: wood, ceramic, plastic, metal. Power source: battery powered. Special feature: brake. About this item, sets up in seconds. Take this table saw to the job site or move it around the workshop. There's even a built-in carry handle, cuts like a full-size. With the standard guard and riving knife system you can perform rip, cross, scroll, and miter cuts. Tool-less blade change uses any brand standard 4 inches T-shank blade, but we threw 5 in the box to get you started cutting wood, ceramic, tile, plastic, aluminum, and metal. 0-60 degrees miter cuts. With the adjustable gauge you can pull off precise miter cuts for a whole assortment of woodworking projects. Onboard accessory storage. When the miter gauge.
Number 4.
Skill SPT 990-018 1/4-inch portable worm drive table saw. Legendary worm drive gearing offers maximum torque for ripping applications. Precision rack and pinion system makes fence adjustments quickly and smoothly for accurate cuts. Lightweight and compact footprint make it easy to move around the job site. Tear through sheet goods and slice up to 3x with the 2-5/8 inch depth depth of cut and 25-inch rip capacity. All metal construction delivers legendary durability. SKIL SPT99T01 Portable Worm Drive Table Saw. SPT99T01 Rack and Pinion System. The rack and pinion system makes fast, smooth fence adjustments for precise cuts. SKIL SPT99T01 Rip Capacity. Created for job site productivity, this compact powerhouse features a 2-5/8 in.
Number 5.
DeWalt 10-inch table saw, 32-1/2-inch rip capacity. DWE7491RS. Your purchase includes one DeWalt table saw, 10-inch 24-tooth carbide blade, rolling stand, push stick, miter gauge, rip fence, 2x blade wrenches, blade guard assembly manual. Other specs: max rip to left of blade 22-inch, max rip to right of blade 32-1/2-inch, max width of dado 13/16-inch, arbor size 5/8-inch, amps 15, depth of cut at 45-inch, 2-1/4-inch, depth of cut at 90 degrees, 3-1/8-inch, no load speed. 4,800 RPM rolling stand designed for easy setup and breakdown with excellent stability. Rack and pinion telescoping fence system make fence adjustments fast, smooth and accurate. Features of 15.0, a high torque motor with the power to cut pressure treated lumber and hardwoods. Functionality and portability. The DeWalt